Kani gadega Pati CCTV.
Ban kham banjana shushu yak jing shakri na kapanta ki khna ki badan jing duna haki department ka Bethany Society kalakante sashikadan yak jing pule hapo ka Jyotis Road School bat Roy Lang Academy na ka bawara yak computer class na kapanta ki khna ki badan jing duna haki department ya kane computer center hakane ka school la play pat ba hak jelang balalong nen ka sngi ka arpa prata dek ulber da ka menteri sarkar ka bakmi yak nat IPR jong ka sarkar jala ikong ampari lingdo ibalong ru ka MLA jong kane ka than yakane ka computer center lakarsan ru da ka Amway Opportunity Foundation bad hakane ka jelang ki wai pat ki balai dan lang ki kentop yo cluster operation manager jong ka North East Amway India u Bikramjit Paul ka senior program coordinator jong ka mainstreaming education unit Bethany Society ikong Berthaji Dhar ka assistant commissioner jong ka Nat Peludi bat kiwi ha ka Roy Lang Academy labu khandai tali ki core computer pat ka thong kalong ban aji kai bat pentebet iki khna haki course baper bat banyo ru ka jing itho na ka sarkar jila lingba katnat technical department na ka baaru yeki certificate hadien bakila pendap yeki jing pule ha Jyotis Road pat labu khatwai tli ki core computer ban aji kai kham tam ki khna ki badan jing duna haka boryo I jung ki khmat
Carry your candle, run to the darkness, seek out the helpless, confused and torn. Hold out your candle for all to see it. Take your candle, go light your world. Take your candle, go light your world.
Father, you continue to be a big source of inspiration. And the irony of it all is that very often people like us who are normal tend to forget the wonderful world around us. It is only when we come to programs like this that we are reminded again that we are the fortunate ones. I must congratulate Bethany Society for all the efforts put in to bring together all these individuals who have actually lost hope in life. Now, how many individuals in the community will give up everything and unite together to give hope to other lives? This is something which is commendable. No words can express the amount of kudos that the Bethany Society, the Jyotis Road, the Roy Lang Society have done to contribute to the lives of the people who are not as fortunate as all of us.
Kani gadega Pati CCTV.